There is nothing simpler than the simple butternut pasta because it literally has almost no ingredients in it, which is perfect if you're starting to run out. Do remember though, the shops are open. You don't have to sort of panic. Lots of fresh groceries about because the farmer's still growing. Because I've got some olive oil, quite a lot of olive oil, and I'm going to just toss some chopped onions in there. Alright, so fry them with a sort of requisite amount of love and things until they're sort of translucent. Then toss in a goodly amount of garlic because we're back to that health thing, but also a few things that are better than the smell of frying onions and garlic. Now I'm going to add butternut, but quite honestly we've got pumpkin, that's also fine. Or I suppose you can even do this with broccoli or cauliflower or anything. It's really just going to be a pureed vegetable tossed through pasta. Season it with salt and pepper. Amount, you're going to toss this into pasta. You don't want it to be too bland. I mean, I like to add parmesan or feta so that takes some of the blandness away, but nevertheless. Alright. I've got to say, we're going to start cooking some meat quite soon because Mark's going slightly mad with all this vegetarian stuff, but never mind. There's always a weekend fry. Put some stock in, chicken or vegetable, and then I'm going to pop the lid on and cook it till it's soft. That's it. Not a bad idea to stir it a couple of times during cooking, just to get all the flavours to mix well and make friends. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Everything's soft, sort of starting to melt a bit, and the stock powder does help because it's got some corn flour in it and it kind of thickens it. Okay, darling, we're going to have to go to the other side of the kitchen. Well, not on the other side, but over here. Alright, so you don't have to have it absolutely smooth. If you want it that smooth, go for it, but life can sometimes be a bit short. I do. We've got absolutely nothing else to do, so it doesn't really matter. So just heat that through. I want to put some fusilli, just noodle sort of shapes. Don't use spaghetti, it must be actual noodles. And just toss it around a bit. Now I'm going to use parmesan because I love parmesan with butternut. Season it with some extra black pepper. I mean, I don't think that recipes really do come much simpler than this. And nutritious and delicious. And if you make it with, I suppose, whole wheat pasta, then you're really on a win. I fried some sage and butter a bit earlier. So they just add a little crunch, and that lovely sage with butternut is perfect. So there we have it. Very simple butternut pasta.